In a country where hope was fading and silence ruled the streets, one woman stood tall when everyone else was told to kneel. Her name, María Corina Machado, a woman who dared to speak the truth when the truth itself had become a crime. She wasn't born into politics or privilege. She was born into a Venezuela that once had promise, a place of beauty, music, and strength. But as the years passed, corruption began to grow like a shadow over the nation. People lost faith. Fear became the language of survival. And yet, Maria refused to accept that this was her country's destiny. In 2002, when most were afraid to speak, she helped create Súmate, a citizens' movement to protect honest elections. It was an act of pure courage, because in Venezuela, demanding democracy meant risking everything. And she did. She was harassed, threatened, and even accused of treason. But Maria didn't stop. She kept speaking, not for power, but for the people who had none. When she entered the National Assembly, she faced those in power directly. Surrounded by those who tried to intimidate her, she stood firm, fearless, and said the words millions wanted to say but couldn't. "You do not own Venezuela. The people do." Those words came with a price. She was banned from elections. Her rallies were attacked. Her supporters were jailed. But Maria stayed. While others fled into exile, she chose to remain in Venezuela, the same land that tried to silence her. Because to her, freedom wasn't a dream to chase abroad. It was a duty to fight for at home. Through every threat, every headline, every attempt to destroy her, Maria's voice only grew stronger. She became a symbol of resistance, not through violence, but through unwavering conviction. She united a divided opposition, showing them that courage could heal what fear had broken. Even when the regime erased her name from the ballots in 2024, she looked at her supporters and said, "No one can erase a nation's dream." Those words became the heartbeat of a new movement. The people no longer saw her as just a leader. She had become hope itself. And then came the day the world finally listened. On October 10th, 2025, the Nobel Committee announced that María Corina Machado had won the Nobel Peace Prize for her tireless fight for democracy, human rights, and peace in Venezuela. The announcement echoed through the streets of Caracas. People cried, sang, and shouted her name, because this was not just her victory, it was Venezuela's. When Maria stood on that stage in Oslo, she did not speak of revenge or politics. She spoke of peace. She said, "Peace is not the silence of fear. It is the courage to face injustice without hate." And in that moment, the world understood that this woman, once called a traitor, had become a global symbol of truth. Her journey was never about winning an award. It was about giving a broken country its voice back. It was about showing the world that one brave soul can challenge tyranny, not with weapons, but with words. María Corina Machado's story is proof that real change begins when someone refuses to be silent. She turned her pain into purpose, and her courage into history. Because when you fight for truth, even the darkest night can't stop the dawn from coming.